Hi everyone, welcome to our robotics series. Myself Arnab Kundu. In this video, we are diving into one of the most famous and useful electronic component, IC 555 timer. Right? IC 555 timer is a tiny chip used to create time delays, pulses or blinking effects in electronic circuits. Right? It has small 8 legs which are used to connect it with other electronic components in electronic circuits. Right. So go to the computer screen. Using Tinkercad web application, I will build a circuit using IC 555 timer, and where we build the circuit for blinking and LED. Okay, so let's dive in. Hi friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arquen, and today I will build a circuit using IC 555 timer in Tinkercad web applications. Today I will build a blinking LED circuit using IC 555 timer inside Tinkercad. Okay, IC 555 timer is a small chip used to create time delays, pulses or blinking effect in electronic circuits. Right? So at first we should know what is the IC 555 timer. Right? The IC 555 timer is one of the most popular and versatile integrated circuits, means the ICs used in electronics. Right? It acts like a brain that can generate accurate time delays, create pulses or oscillate, means the blink continuously. Right? Works in 3 modes. One is astable, another is monostable, and another is bistable. Astable means single pulse output, example timer. Monostable means continuous pulse like blinking LED, tone generator. Right? And for bistable, on off like a switch used in memory circuits. Right? IC 555 timer is concerned, used for generating pulses, creating time delays, controlling LED blinking, and the IC 555 timer was invented in 1972 by Hans R. Kamenzind, a switch engineer. Okay, so this is a real life example of IC 555 timer. Okay, and also this IC 555 timer has small 8 legs, right, and which are used to connect it to other electronic components in electronic circuits. Right? So now for the circuit is concerned, what the components used in, first is a 9-volt battery, and that is one breadboard, one IC 555 timer, one LED red or blue. Here I will take red LED, 3 resistors, one for 220 ohm, one is 1 kilo ohm, and another is 470 kilo ohm. Okay, and one 1 microfarad capacitor. Okay, and also need some jumper wires. So the circuit is already given in picture how we form in our Tinkercad web applications. Right? Now how the circuit works. The IC 555 timer is set in Astable mode. Right? It charges and discharges the capacitor continuously. This creates a timing pulses on off signal. Okay? The signal turns LED on and off, making it blink. Right? And the resistors and capacitor control the blink speed. Right? So now the hands-on time to build the electronic circuit using IC 555 timer inside Tinkercad web applications, and the circuit is for the blinking and LED. Okay, so just go to the Tinkercad web applications. I will build the circuits for today's topic is concerned, right? Now I have already logged in my Tinkercad account, and from there we just click on this button create, and from there choose circuits. Okay, now whatever the window will open, and from the right side whatever the components are there, we take it within this particular blank space. So at first we take a breadboard, okay, and then we take a 9-volt battery, okay, and now we just connect this red wire from this plus position to breadboard this section. Okay, now take a black wire which is connect this ground to this section of the breadboard. We have already know these sections are connected into row wise and these sections are connected into column wise. Okay, but this section and this section are not connected, right? And also we connect these sections from this ground to this ground. For our circuit needs more grounds, and also take the red wire for just connecting this section to these sections. That's why you can take the power from this section also and take the ground from this section also. Now we find out the 555 timer. So just write 555. So this is the timer, this particular electronic component we are used here and have the 8 legs. So this section is to the ground, so we take black wire and directly connect with the ground, and take a red wire, these sections connect with the positive, okay, and this is the power section, so also we connect this with the power. Now take a resistor and we put this resistor this section, connect with this discharge this, and put the resistor taken as 1 kilo ohm, okay, means the resistance power is 1 kilo ohm. Okay, now take another resistor and just rotate this resistor, and this resistor just connect into from there to this and put this resistance power is 470 kilo ohm. Okay, now we take another resistor, and this resistor we just connect this section to this, and this will be the 220 ohm only, and we take an LED also, and this LED we are just connect to that section. This is a anode, okay, and this cathode just a black wire we are just connect with this ground. Okay, and now these sections we are just connect with these sections. This is a threshold and this is a trigger. So we take a green wire and just connect in that way to this section to this particular leg. Okay, means we are just connect this trigger, this leg with the threshold. Okay, and from there these particular sections we take it and we are just connect with this. That means what happened? Just check into there. So this will be connect to there, and again it will connect with these resistors and go to the positive, right? And now we take a capacitor and put here. Already know for the capacitor terminal 1 is the positive and 2 is the negative, and put the value of the capacitor is 1 microfarad. Okay, and now this is a positive, so these positive connections just go to these sections, means this is the trigger sections, and this is the ground of the capacitor is concerned, so just connect with the ground. Okay, so our near about the circuit is complete. We don't need any other connections. Now we just start simulation and just see the LED is blinking. Okay, means using this IC555 timer we can control the LED and it blinking an LED, right? So this is a very simple circuit, but for do that we need some capacitor, we need some resistor, and also need some the 9-volt battery, and also itself the IC555 timer. I hope you have understood today's video. Today's video is very simple, how to blink an LED using IC555 timer in Tinkercad web applications. If you like this video, please like it, share it more and more. If you have some doubts for today's video is concerned or today's topic is concerned, just write in the comment section. I will solve your problem. Those who are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching Technical Arcane for more videos. So today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.